كونوا قوامين لله شهداء بالقسط ولا يجرمنكم شنآن
In my opinion, Noor, who you're celebrating tonight, was one such individual, understood life, who see through things, who was interested in the beauty of life, who thought life should be respected.
Did you recite a few verses written by most amazing Maya Angelou? And I would like to dedicate these verses to my beloved Muqaddam and all the Noors around the world. Still I rise. You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may throw me in the very dirt, but still like dust, I will rise. Just like moons and like suns, with the certainty of tides, just like hopes springing high, still I rise. Did you want to see me broken? Bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries. You may shoot me with your words, you may cut me with your eyes, you may kill me with your hatefulness, but still like air, I will rise. Leaving behind nights of terror and fear, I rise. Into a daybreak that wondrously clear, I rise. Bringing the gifts my ancestors gave, I am the dream and hope of the slave. I rise, I rise. Noor Muqaddam rises.
सारी ख़वातीन अपने घरों में, अपने दफ्तरों में, सड़कों में गाड़ी चलाते वक्त, सड़कों में चलते वक्त तो सारे महफूज रहें। ख़वातीन, हमारी बेटियां सब महफूज हैं और इस तरह कोई दरिंदा कैपिटल सिटी इस्लामाबाद में किसी मासूम बेटी की जान ना दे सके। आप सबका बहुत शुक्रिया।
The purpose of this exhibition was to show people the Noor, the girl with normal dreams, with artistic inclinations, with aspirations, somebody who thought, who felt, and who, sort of was like a normal human being. So the purpose is for people to see behind, the horrific act of violence that's been committed against her. And she's become now more of a symbol for gender violence, for justice, and in all of Pakistan, I think, that is what her name is associated with. We wanted to show that, it should not happen to anybody, obviously, but sometimes we forget the person, the relations, the talent, or the things, the contributions of the person who has been a victim of such, horrendous crime.
This is such amazing work and it needs to be shown, and people need to see what kind of person she was, and her beauty within and outside that she had, and that was really important. And we wanted to show her innocence and her purity, her love for Allah, her love for animals, and she is more than what we've seen. She's more than a hashtag, you know. She was an individual, she was a person, she was so loved. She was so incredibly loved by her family, by her friends. Everyone whom she's ever met loved her so much. And she was a spark of joy. She was Noor. And I feel like the world has really missing out on such an amazing individual. And I just want everyone to keep praying for her, and inshallah we will do everything that we can to keep her alive in our memories and keep her legacy alive forever, inshallah.
It's truly beautiful to see, you know. I mean, she never intended for this artwork to be displayed, obviously, right? These were, as you've seen, these, you know, there were notes on her, like artwork that she had done in her room, painted on her walls, on you know, just because she was artistic and she had such an artistic soul and nature. But it's what's important is, I feel, for people to see beyond the hashtag, beyond the name, and you know, so that's why it's so important and so heartening to see such a good turnout, because it humanizes, you know, because I feel like in this age of social media, where every week, if not every day, there are cases that come, and it's so easy to get desensitized and to start treating real human beings who have lived real lives as mere hashtags or as, you know, just another statistic. But for me, Noor will never be a statistic. Actually, no woman in this country who has suffered at the hands of misogynistic men and felt unsafe in any way, shape or form is never a hashtag.
Wish we could save her. I wish we could save many Noors around the world, and I would like to request people who are in the power that justice delayed is justice denied. Every time we see the culprit walking around, it kills us from within. It kills Noor's family. So please have mercy on us, have mercy on the system, and culprit should be punished sooner than soon.
ऐ शौकत गुरनम गम न करो, ऐ हुक्म खुदा अब सब्र करो। माँ बाप की जन्नत से जो गई, जन्नत ही मिली उसे दोबारा।